Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and I am working on a AC heating unit today. And customer called that the thermostat wasn't working, and we found that they replaced the wires and batteries, and I mean the wires. They bought a new thermostat because they thought that was it. They put batteries in it, wasn't it? And I found that there was a broken wire up on the indoor unit up here. So this is the thermostat wire. This is where all the wires go connected for all the units here. And one of the wires was burnt. So what I did is I got a new one, replaced it, and we're gonna hook this one up where it belongs, and they will be up and running. So that was the problem. The problem was they had a broken wire, and homeowner didn't know how to fix it. YouTube did, but sometimes you need to call a technician, certified technician, so that's what they did. They called us, first-time customer. Found the problem pretty quick. They had another company come out and wanted to sell them, believe it or not, a new indoor unit. And so they're happy that I found the problem a lot less expensive than what they thought. So call us for our AC heating refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can also find us at the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. You can find YouTube videos as well. ABC, look it up under ABC Austin Service Express. Okay? All right, guys. See you guys in the next video. All right, bye-bye.